This one is for those who spend most of their time in front of their PCs. It's an ergonomic mechanical keyboard. What's so special about it? Well, unlike ordinary keyboards, this one prevents unnecessary tension in your joints, letting your wrists rest at their natural angle so typing gets comfy faster and without any risks. The secret is the angled letter columns that are perfectly aligned with your fingers. Enter and delete keys are moved to the center, so you can press them with your thumbs and avoid moving your hands too much. As for the design, aluminum base plate and premium quality switches and keycaps make it look cool and